Good morning children and hello parents. Welcome to Standard 3 General Knowledge class. What is this? This is a cup that you get when you win a race or elocution competition. So now we will read about cups and trophies. Cups and trophies. What games are these cups and trophies associated with? FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup is associated with football. Davis Cup. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. The Ashes with cricket. ICC World Cup. ICC World Cup is associated with cricket. The Ranji Trophy. The Ranji Trophy is again associated with cricket. Answer these questions. Number 1. Who won the 2018 FIFA World Cup? 2018 FIFA World Cup was won by France. Number 2. Where was the first Cricket World Cup held? Children, do you know where the first Cricket World Cup was held? It was held in England. Number 3. Which country does the Olympian legend Michael Phelps belong to? He belongs to USA. He is a swimmer. Let's move on to the next topic, that is famous explorers. Who is an explorer? An explorer is a person who travels to unknown land to know more about them. First question. He was a famous Portuguese explorer. He traveled from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. Name this explorer, children. He is Ferdinand Magellan. Now, second question. First European to reach America in 1492. Name the first European who reached America in 1492. He is Christopher Columbus. Number 3. He reached the coast of Calicut in India in 1498. He is Vasco da Gama. Number 4. First human being to walk on the moon. First human being to walk on the moon is Neil Armstrong. Number 5. First man to travel into space. First man to travel into space is Yuri Gagarin. Now, can you tell me the first woman to travel in space? The first woman to travel in space is Valentina Tereshkova. Who was the first Indian to go into space? The first Indian to go into space is Rakesh Sharma. In which Indian city did Vasco da Gama die? He died in the city Cochin. Which European traveler was the first to travel the Silk Route to China? The first European traveler to travel the Silk Route to China was Marco Polo. Who said this? One small step for a man, one giant leap for a mankind. It was said by Neil Armstrong. Knowing Northern India. Unscramble to get the right answer. Children, you will have to rearrange the letters here given in the brackets to get the right answer. Question number 1. The remains of Nalanda, an ancient university, is in this state. Can you name the state? Yes, It's Bihar. Number 2. This place in India is the home of the Dalai Lama. This place is Dharamshala. Number 3. One of the oldest cities of India known for its many ghats. It is Varanasi. Number 4. Capital of Himachal Pradesh is. Do you know the capital of Himachal Pradesh? It's Shimla. Children, can you name the oldest national park in India? It's the Jim Corbett National Park. A friend of the environment. Put a tick against the correct statement and a cross mark against the wrong one. Number 1. You wasted paper by making paper balls. Is it right, children, to waste paper by making paper balls? No, it is wrong. So you put a cross mark here. Number 2. You took care of an injured parrot. We should be kind towards animals. So you did a right thing by taking care of an injured parrot. So you put a tick here. Number 3. You planted a tree in your garden. Again, you did a right thing by planting a tree in your garden. Put a tick. Number 4. You forgot to water the plants. If you forget to water the plants will die. So this is wrong. Put a cross. Number 5. You told your friends not to tease stray animals. You did a right thing by telling your friends not to tease animals. We should be kind to them. So you put a tick here. Let's move to the next topic, short terms. What is abbreviation? A word written in short form is called an abbreviation. Now, what is the full form of these? FYI. Full form of FYI is for your information. LOL. Laugh out loud. BTW. By the way. SOS. Save our soul. ATM. Automated teller machine. Full form of UFO. Unidentified flying object. WWF. World Wildlife Fund. KG. KG stands for kilogram. ASAP. As soon as possible. Full form of NP is no problem. Parents, worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on the school website. Kindly go through them and help your child to do them. Thank you.